Adolescence, origin from Latin word adolescer, to grow into maturity. Phases of human development encompasses the transition from childhood to adulthood. WHO age period between 10 to 19 years for both sexes, married and unmarried people. Adolescents are diverse in their age and development stages. Despite all variations, adolescence is a period of exaggerated physical, emotional, social, intellectual, and spiritual growth, with their complexities often resulting in a need for counseling. Adolescents might require the preventive and therapeutic counseling to address their mental health needs. Adolescents need family life education. Educate the growing children, especially the adolescent, regarding various aspects of living in society and interacting with others at different levels, along with the important age appropriate knowledge of biological and sexual development. Two kinds of needs. Their current normative needs associated with changing in physical, sexual, cognitive, social, and emotional development, and future family related needs that are human relationships, adolescent development, values, morals, ethics, family as a basic unit of society, decision making and problem solving, career goals and planning, and diet and fitness. Sexuality encompasses whole range of thoughts, feelings, fantasies, emotions, desires and language beside actions, and sexual behavior is only a part of it. Sexual education is important at all ages, but it is more important than it is important during childhood and adolescence. Major physical, psychological, and behavioral changes take place in adolescent ages. They have many doubts about concerns about the changes that are happening in their bodies. However, the majority of adolescents hesitate to share their doubts and concerns and to seek the answers from the caring adults. During this period, they start extending their relationships beyond the family and give the importance place to peers. And sexual maturity and onset of sexual activity and development of adult mental process and adult identity. Adolescence is also a period for contracting many negative behaviors such as violence, consumption of alcohol, smoking, substances abuse, and unprotected sex. These leading causes of adolescence mortalities are accidents and homicide and suicides. Healthy responsible parenthood and greater human resources for society and growth, sport and physical activity, menstruation and pregnancy. These health changes are occurred in adolescent age. They need sexual education. Help the adolescents to understand their sexuality and learn to respect other feelings and to make the responsible decision. And sexual relationship involves the respect, trust, and care of the partner and perceiving the need of the partner and feeling free to communicate desires and feelings. And psychological growth also occurred in adolescent age. Less interest in the parental activities and mood swings, intense relationships with same and opposite sex friends, increased the cognition, increased need for privacy, lack of impulses control, increased intellectual ability, and risk taking behavior also occurred in adolescent age. Adolescents' specific needs on counseling. Adolescents become very sensitive if they are being treated like children, ignorant those who need to be educated. They are afraid that their secrets are not well kept and that their parents or other might later on be informed. They hate moralizing and enhancing attitude. Then, counseling need of adolescents, young people deserve the non-judgmental and respectful care. Shows them that you enjoy working with them. Use terms that suit young people. Try to make sure that a young woman's choices are her own. Speak without expressing judgment. Take time to fully address questions, fears, and misinformation. Then, the need of adolescent regarding counseling, correct information on health, reproduction, nutrition, growth and development, sexuality and HIV or AIDS, STIs, STIs, adequate diet, healthy lifestyles, education and health, safe and supportive environment and counseling is required in adolescent age. Counseling helps the adolescents to identify the problems, make decisions, and give them confidence to put their decisions into practice. It is necessary to develop trust for decision the specific issues that have a long lasting impact on these age groups. It is the responsibility of healthcare professionals to help the adolescent by providing them with information, advice, counseling, and clinical care to maintain safe behavior and modify unsafe habits.